Hi everyone, welcome back to IT class. Today we are going to discuss about the new programming language, that is Scratch, introduction to Scratch programming. Before going to learn about the working of the Scratch language, we need to know the term program and programming. Actually, what is program? Program is the set of instruction that is we are giving to the computer system through any input device. That is called uh, program. So program is the set of instruction, and the process of writing that program is called programming. So here Scratch is the programming language. It is very interesting. It is developed in 2003 at MIT lab. The famous scientist, the Michael Resnick and team developed Scratch. And the usage of Scratch programming languages: using Scratch we can create our own stories, then animations, games, music, art, etc. So Scratch is the user friendly language. We can easily use Scratch. It provides an interactive environment to create programs by dragging block of codes. See, the first step, to open the Scratch window, we have to follow start, then programming and Scratch. Here we are using the version number 2, Scratch version 2.0. Then let us start with the components of main components of Scratch. See, this is the cat shape character. This is called a sprite. Okay, the main component, that is sprite. Okay, the small graphic character that performs actions in a Scratch project. This is the cat shape. So this is the default shape of Scratch. This character is called a sprite. Okay, so this is used for drawing pictures and creating objects, something like that. The next component, that is stage. This white screen area, that is called a stage. Okay. Then stage is the main working area where the sprite moves and performs actions. So this sprite can move around to the stage window. So stage is the main window, main working area. Here we can watch stories, play games, and run the programs. The next component, that is sprite list. It display the thumbnail of all the sprite used in a project. So this area is the sprite list. Here cat is the default sprite. The next one is presentation mode. Presentation mode is located at the top left corner. See, this is the area of the presentation mode, top left corner. This is called a full screen view or presentation mode. Okay, presentation mode. Or full screen area. Then next component, that is cursor tools. Okay, cursor tools are located at the top of the Scratch window. This area is called cursor tools. Okay, from cursor tools you will get duplicate, delete, then grow and shrink. These are the buttons used here. So let us examine the working of cursor tools. First one is duplicate. See, first button is duplicate. When you click the duplicate button, you will get a icon like this. Then select the sprite. Then you will get duplicate. See, here I created the duplicate sprite. Then if you want to remove this duplicate, then you can click the delete button. So next one is delete. Select the delete and click in front of the sprite. Then it will automatically remove from the window. The next one is next button, that is grow button. Okay, grow button is used to increase the size of the sprite. If you click the grow button, then select the sprite, then see automatically it will increase the size. If you want to decrease the size, then select shrink button. So next one is shrink and select the object. So the size of the sprite will automatically decrease. So these all are the cursor tools. Then next one is sprite info panel. See, sprite info panel are placed at the bottom right corner of the stage. Sorry, click on the eye icon present on the top left corner of the sprite thumbnail. See, this is the sprite thumbnail. So here, see, this is sprite thumbnail. Here you can see I letter button, that is called sprite info panel. So this panel is called, this I letter is called info panel, sprite info pan. Okay, then if you click the sprite info pan, then you will get the details of the sprite. Okay, if you click the sprite info panel, then you will get the details of that sprite, the name of sprite, then X angle and Y angle, direction, everything is there. The next component, that is new sprite buttons. Okay, new sprite buttons is located at the bottom of the stage. See, this area is called new sprite buttons, and the first one, number one, is choose sprite from library. Okay, choose sprite from library. See, if you click the first button, then we will get another sub window. Okay, so we can select any object from this list. And the next one is paint new sprite. Clicking on this button will open the costume window, so we can design our own sprite. Also we can design using these objects, these thumbnails. It is very interesting. Okay, then next one is next, upload a sprite from file. Using this button we can upload our own sprite from file. And last one, see, last one, that is new sprite from camera. So we can import the new sprite using webcam also. So these all the sections of new sprite buttons. Okay, then next one is blocks palette. See, this area is called block palettes. This rounded area is called block palettes. See, block palettes contain the set of blocks which are used to program the sprite and give actions to it. See, these all are the set of codes or programs it contains in the block palette area, and it is used to create sprites, scripts in Scratch. So it is used to create scripts. This is the script area. Okay, so we can insert the block of codes in this section. We can drag and drop here. It is very interesting. So these blocks palettes contains the set of blocks or set of commands. This is the script area. Script is a collection of stepwise instructions that are given to the sprite to do a specific task. So we can give the set of instruction here step by step. Then it will work according to the instructions. So this area is called script area. It is the place where you can create a script for a sprite to do a particular task. Then script also called programs. Okay, script, or we can say it as program. So set of blocks are there, so we can insert from this list. So these all are the major components of the sprite window. Sprite window major components. The next term, that is creating a new sprite using paint editor. How to create a new sprite using paint editor? See, in the section of sprite, new sprite button, there is a button, that is paint new sprite. Click the paint new sprite button, then you will get a window like this. From this thumbnail you can create the new sprite also. Okay, creation of new sprite. This way you can create a new sprite. Okay, this is the way to create the new sprite. Then saving the sprite. If you want to remove the sprite from here, then select the sprite, then left click and press delete. Then it will automatically delete from the list. Okay, so you can design your own sprite also using this paint screen. The next term, that is saving a sprite. How to save a sprite? If you want to save, then click on the file tab. This is the file tab. Okay, from file tab you will get the uh, you will get the options, that is new, open, save, save as, etc. Then select the save. Okay, select the save project, then give the file name. So this way you can save the sprite. Then moving a sprite, that is the next term, moving a sprite. How to move a sprite? Using this block of codes, all the instructions related to the movement of sprite are given under the motion block. See, in the section of block of codes, there is different options are there: motion, then looks, then sound, pen, data, events, etc. So you have to select the first one, that is motion. Okay, motion block menu. Create your first scratch project to move the sprite in a circular motion. How to move the scratch in a circular motion? So open the scratch window. By default, the motion block palette is displayed on the left side of the scratch window. Then click on the move 10 steps block. See the first block, that is move 10 steps block. This block is called move 10 steps block. Then select the move 10 block, then select and drag here into the script area. Okay, by default, click on the block and drag it to the script area. Change the step number from 10 to 20. Okay, change the step 10 to 20 by typing in the number box. Then click on the block. You will notice that the sprite moves the specified number of steps. If you click the block, then you will get, see, the sprite is moves. Okay, the sprite is moves to 20 steps. Then click on the turn 15-degree block. Now drag and drop it on the script area. The second block is turn 15-degree. So select that block and drag it over here and click on that block. See, the sprite is moves in the circular manner, 15-degree. See the movements, the change of that sprite. Okay, then next, keep clicking on any block in the script area. Then you have to observe that the sprite is moving 20 steps forward and turning 15-degree in a circular motion. Okay, the sprite is moving in a circular motion and it is already moved 20 steps, and now the sprite is moving in a circular motion. Then know about motion blocks. See what is motion blocks. Let us understand the use of the motion blocks. Here we used the two motion blocks. That is, first one is move 10 steps, then change it to 20 steps, then turn 15-degree. See, first one, this block move the sprite 20 steps. Move 20 step means it will move the sprite 20 steps in the forward direction. Then next one is, this block is used to turn the sprite in clockwise direction. Turn 15-degree means it will rotate, or it will turn 15-degree then in the clockwise direction. To turn the sprite in anti-clock direction, then use another one that just below that motion block, that is turn 15-degree. Then it will move anti-clock direction. Okay, this is the usage of motion blocks. Then drawing a colorful circle. The blocks in the pen block menu allow the sprite to draw lines on the stage, change the color and thickness of lines. See, there is an option pen. Okay, pen option is used to draw pictures using this block of commands. So click the pen block menu. First we have to select the pen block menu, then select the pen down block from the pen block palette. Okay, pen down block you have to select, pen down block, drag and drop. Then next one, drag out the block and place it underneath the turn 15 degree. Okay, 10-15 degree, then underneath 10-15 degree. Then we already inserted the 3 block of commands, that is move 20 steps, turn 15 degree, then pen down. After that, now click and pull the set pen size to 1 block onto the script area. The place it below the pen down block, change the value from 1 to 10. Okay, if you click the pen block, you will get the option set pen size. See, from here you will get set pen size to 1. So select that block and drag and drop here, then change the size 1 to 10. Okay, set pen size to 10. After that, drag out the change pen color by 10. Okay, change pen color, change pen color by 10 block. Just drag and drop. So these all are the set of commands or instructions for drawing the circle. So keep clicking on any of the blocks in the script area till the sprite complete its colorful circle. So you have to click continuously any of the block area from here. See, it will draw a picture like this. See, the sprite is draws some circle like this, then you will get a circle like this. Okay, so the circle is finished. So here you can draw a colorful circle using these commands. So now about some pen block. See, some of the commands are there. First command, that is pen down command. Okay, pen down command. What is the usage of pen down command? This block draws a line as the sprite moves on the stage. So it is used to draw a line. Then set pen size to 1. This block is used to set the thickness of the pen. Okay, here we can change the thickness of the pen using this option. Here we changed the size to 1 to 10. The next one, change pen color by 10. It is used to change the color of the pen. Okay, here we changed the color 10 colors, so it will change the colors. The same way you can draw a circle, colorful color circle. Then next one, making a duplicate copy of sprite. How to make duplicate copy? For that we have to delete these codes. Okay, here we are making a duplicate copy of sprite. For doing that, first step we need to select the pen block. Okay, from pen block you will get a command, that is stamp. So to create a duplicate copy of the sprite, we have to use the stamp block. So drag and drop the stamp block. Then next we have to select motion block, then select moves 10 steps, that is we have to change 10 to 50. Okay, change the value as 50. Then next again select a pen block, select a pen down command. Then next change pen color by 20, change pen color by 20, so we have to change the value 10 to 20. The next block is set pen size, to 20, set pen size to 20. Then if one edge bounds, select if one edge bounds. Okay, if one edge bounds from motion block. These all are the block of codes to making a duplicate copy. Then we have to click continuously from this section, then see observe the changes. Okay, the sprite duplicate sprites are created here. So the same way we can create the duplicate sprite using these codes. Then saving a scratch project. How to save a scratch project? The default extension of scratch is .sb2. For doing saving the project, we have to select the file, then select save. Okay, file and save, then you will get a window like this. Then select the location and give the file name. Okay, here we entered the file name as sample, then click the save button. So it is saved to our hard disk. Then there is a two buttons just above the stage, that is green color flag and stop. This flag is used to run the program, and red color, that is used to stop the program. Okay, the green flag, it is a tiny icon placed at the top of the right corner of the stage screen. Clicking on the green flag will run the script step by step. And the next one is stop. The stop button is placed on the top right corner of the stage. It is red in color and is used to stop the project at any time during execution. Then how to open a saved project? See, to open a saved project, first we have to select a file, then select open, then select the location. Here we saved one file, that is sample. So select the sample one. See, sample, this is the scratch file. Okay, see the extension of scratch, that is .sb2. So just click the open button, then it will open to our screen. Okay, these all are the terms we have to know about the scratch programming language. These are the basics. So you can create your own stories, images, and animations, etc., using block of codes or programs. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day. We will meet once again. Thank you.